Into it, Mom.
Lean a little bit into it. And then slide. There you go. And line those 3 dots up and focus on that front dot. Make sure that they're all lined up.
Uh-oh.
You're doing fine.
The whole shebang that time.
Try taking your finger off the trigger just a little bit. Don't push too much. Okay, put your finger on the trigger. Just about that much. Bring the whole trigger.
What am I doing?
Down. Mr. Down. Mr. Bahair. Down. Mr. Bahair. Mr. Bahair.
What are you saying? I can't hear what you're saying.
Okay.
Rear sights blurry, front sights clear.